In this video, we will talk about the parts that we should change at least once a year to keep our car in optimal condition and not give us strange failures because of these same parts. If you want to learn how to replace and maintain to your car, I invite you to our course that you can find in the link below. Now let's start with the video, and the first thing we will talk about is the PSB valve. No one changes this when servicing a car. This valve is located in the engine block and helps to release pressure inside the engine, so it's pretty important that it works. It is also super inexpensive and you can change it yourself, just take it off and put it back on. The second piece would be the radiator cap. This I will never get tired of saying. This cap is a valve that helps to keep the car from overheat. This cap lasts a very long time, but if you bought a second-hand car, it is a good idea to change it. And be careful, if you change it, it has to be of the same weight as the cover you changed, because otherwise it could generate a problem in the engine. The other thing that could also be changed or serviced would be the battery terminals. This part almost nobody changes it unless they are broken, and the truth is that they are very cheap and you can change them yourself. The terminals of the battery are very important so that there is no false contact and the battery is not discharging at all times. Above all, it can give us some failures that when we turn on the car, can make us think that it is another type of problems. I also recommend that you change the brake linings. These should be replaced at least once a year, and not wait for the brakes to get hard or start to present problems, because when the brake linings expire, internal problems appear, and this is what we must avoid. On the other hand, if we keep everything up to date and maintain it correctly, things will last much longer, before when you were changing them all the time. We are also talking about very inexpensive things that can make a difference in the maintenance and long-term performance of our car, and changing these parts will take no time at all. And changing these parts won't take any time at all, so it's worth doing it. If you liked the video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any faults, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.